Yours Problem Playboys, welcome back to another video, man. This is gonna sound crazy, but I broke Dusty again, or Dusty broke herself. It was the day I was driving home from the car show from the last video, and I got to light after doing a third gear pull, and I put the car in second gear, and there was no second. I don't know where second went. It was completely gone. I have no idea what killed second. But I'm gonna be dropping transmission again, guys. So yeah, this is fun. This is fun, honestly. Like, I love dropping transmissions at this point. But here's a good thing. I already have the gears ordered. Well, I already have the gears here now ordered. I went with the FF transmission gears, first and second, obviously, because I already have third and fourth vehicle from BF gears. Yeah, they're straight cut, so first and second is gonna be rowdy. It's gonna be super loud in the car, but third and fourth is gonna be calm. I could drive and listen to music. But yeah, I'm not gonna ramble on too long. I'm actually gonna put the GoPro on my head and get this transmission dropped so I can bring it to Renardo, and then he could install the gears. We could watch him install the gears, and then yeah, put the transmission back, go test it, and see how it feels, because I'm actually excited. I always wanted to have straight cut gears, so this is, I guess, Dusty broke for a reason, sadly, or whatever. Let's get it.
I get that money like blow. I'm in that big with little meat. I do this shit in my sleep. Shawty saw me, she so deep. Shawty for me, she so deep. I'm in that bitch and on fleek. I put BBs on my links. Shawty can't wait till we link. But will let Kelly get.
Alright, you guys, the transmission is out. Didn't give you guys a walkthrough because I done dropped this transmission so much on this channel. But look at that action clutch. Sheesh, thing still looks pretty good. But transmission is out. You guys seen the piece of metal that came out of the transmission, so yeah, something is definitely broken. It wasn't that hard. I guess after you do it 4 or 5 times, it just becomes super easy. When I get this transmission back, I am definitely giving it a nice wash, because this thing is filthy. Look at that. Alright, so since the transmission is out and in the trunk, we're going to be making our way down to my boy Renardo. Y'all already know him. That's my boy, but he a dickhead. So, hey, he knows it too. So when he watching this, he might comment something like, I don't know, something crazy. But don't cancel him. But yeah, that's my boy. So let's make a trip down to that boy Renardo, drop off the transmission, and he said he's gonna give it back to me tomorrow morning, so it doesn't take him that long to even build a trans. I need to learn how to do it myself, cause this will be so easier. Like, I could just break trans for, hey yo, I could break the gearbox just for fun, but that's not the case. So yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on and pick this video up when we make it there. Alright guys, we made it to Renardo. I don't know what the hell he's working on, but yo, this shit is massive in there. Alright, so the transmission is now dropped off at Renardo's. We are now at AutoZone. I need to go pick up some brake cleaner because pretty sure when I get the transmission back, I'm going to clean the living crap out of it, because it is ugly. So yeah, we're gonna grab some brake cleaner and then head back home. And I'll probably wrap my downpipe. I don't know yet. I'm debating. I really don't feel like doing anything right now, but we'll see. Let's get it.
Gotcha, bitch.
Alright guys, so I don't know if you guys can see me. I don't even know where this video is really at, man, but we got the transmission back from Renardo. we are on our way back to the crib. Obviously, I can't start a transmission tonight because I can't see, but tomorrow morning we'll get into that. Should be very, very simple. The same way I took that thing off, the same way I'm putting that thing back on. My transmission oil should be there tomorrow as well. And yeah, we can go out and test the car and actually hear how it sounds. So I feel like it's gonna sound crazy, especially with the first and second straight cut gears. It's definitely gonna be super loud while driving, but I'm happy it's only first and second. So yeah. So see you guys tomorrow, man. Let's get it. Brand new work day, man. So let's get into it. Dusty transmission is back. Let's get it back in. Ain't no reason for me to be talking. Let's get to work. All right, transmission is back in the car. It is a brand new day, you guys, and a brand new headache, man. I don't know what's going on with Dusty. After putting back the transmission, I'm gonna insert the 2 videos right here. The car started up with a crank sensor position something being messed up. So now the car doesn't want, and like, I don't even know how to explain it. The car just doesn't, it starts up and idles fine. Well, sort of, but I can't drive the car. Like, I don't know what happened. I don't know what I did during the transmission install that messed with the crankshaft, but how can I even do that? Bro, I am lost for words. I have no idea what I did or what happened. So if anybody in this, or anybody watching this video, man, and y'all know or can help a brother out, please help a brother out, because I am lost. I really don't know what happened. Like, when I cleared the code, the car drove fine, and then it threw it right again. So I don't know if it's a grounding issue. Maybe something's not grounded correctly. I have no idea. But yeah, that's my dilemma right now, guys. If it's not something, well, that's not the thing they say. If it's not one thing, it's another, and this is definitely the other part. But after that, transmission's in. There's no leaks. Sounds amazing when I got to drive it for 20 minutes. But after that, I have no idea what's going on. But sadly, this is where I'm about to end off the video until I get that problem figured out. So if you guys enjoyed it, man, please leave a like, comment, subscribe. Follow your boy on Instagram _GotTheSoda. Stay tuned for the next video. Hopefully it's a solution video. But yeah, man, your boy's out. Peace. All right, so trying to start the car. What the fuck was that? Oh, I don't know what's going on, bro. It's with the clutch. I don't know what's going on. Dusty.
Yeah. Trouble on my mind. I got trouble on my mind. Trouble on my mind. So much trouble on my mind.